Hello again. In the description to this video, I give a link to a section of the Open University's website. It's a bit dedicated to the Black Students Support Fund. One of the features of modern Britain which affords me a great deal of simple pleasure is the ability of those running public bodies to say one thing and then do precisely the opposite, hoping that ordinary citizens and taxpayers will be polite enough not to mention the deception. Bodies organising and running higher education in this country are, of course, grand masters at such tactics, and the middle classes in general, and intellectuals in particular, are experts in closing their eyes to these tricks. Being neither middle class nor, alas, an intellectual, I am ready and able not only to notice these games, but I'm also ill-mannered enough to draw attention to them. Click on the link which I provide, and the first sentence in the text which you read is as follows. At the heart of the Open University's social justice mission is a belief that everyone, regardless of background or circumstances, should have the same opportunities and support to transform their lives through education. Well, now, doesn't that sound grand? I am a simple man, although not so simple that I'm illiterate and unable to understand the meaning of ordinary English words. That statement by the Open University means, if it means anything at all, that poor people, those lacking formal educational qualifications, and people of all ethnic origins should be given equal opportunities to study at the Open University. I simply cannot interpret the sentence in any other way. It must surely convey the impression to us that somebody from an impoverished family of Chinese heritage living in Britain should have as much opportunity to study at the Open University as the wealthiest and most privileged white person whose father is a duke. Can anybody watching this interpret those words in any other way? The fund will provide scholarships to study at the Open University. Scholarships worth up to £25,000, so they're worth having. Here are the eligibility criteria for these golden opportunities. You must identify as being from a black background. Applicants must have one of the following ethnicities: black African, black Caribbean, black other, mixed white and black Caribbean, mixed white and black African, other mixed background to include black African, black Caribbean or black other. That's it. Those of Bangladeshi heritage need not apply, nor working class white people, Chinese, Arabs, Inuit, Jews or any other ethnic group. Your skin must be black. Now, this is what I enjoy so much. The statement begins by declaiming grandly that everyone, regardless of background or circumstance, should have the same opportunities. And it ends by saying that Indians, Chinese, Jews and white people need not apply. That such a thing is possible in this day and age will strike many people as little short of incredible. But that's what happens when once you adopt a certain ideology, that you'll end up by keeping quiet even when you witness something as monstrously unfair as this. This is, of course, not an exceptional case. This kind of thing now permeates the whole of our society, and the aim is always and invariably the same: to favour those of sub-Saharan ancestry over all other ethnic groups. There are many reasons for this, which I've covered before in these videos, but the pursuit of fairness is most certainly not among them.